Good morning.
Hey, hey, hey.
Thanks, babe. That's staying in.
I just wanted to get you a smile.
I was smiling. So, why did I do this with you in here? Okay, are you ready? Good morning. We got our Azure haul this morning, and we got quite a large order this time. We have a, what is this, 5 pounds of rutabagas. My plan is a lot of soup, and we're also going to can some soup. This is probably 5 pounds of turnips too. Yep. 3 pounds of leeks. Excited about those. This is 3 bunches of dino kale. Then we have a large box. I think it's 40 pounds of cabbages. They're gonna have to be used really quick, but they'll go into soups, and I'm gonna make some sauerkraut as well. Are you gonna take that? Yeah. Then we got this large bag of beets. Come in and take this real quick. Don't bump the camera, please.
Okay.
What is this? I don't even know how many pounds it is. 25 pounds. And then we got 2 of these. I got juicing carrots this time. I don't know how many pounds it is. 25 pounds. So 2 of these. Juicing carrots. They're seconds. So they're ugly. The ends are knocked off. But again, we're going to can them.
They don't look bad.
They look juicy.
Yep.
So then we got... Do you want to bring the camera up here, or is that too hard?
No, do that.
This is the mystery box. We really enjoy this. So we got 4 cucumbers. We'll stick them back in a second. Nope, sorry. 2 zucchinis, 2 cucumbers. I know my vegetables. 2 oranges.
Ooh, that one's bad.
Ooh, yeah, it is. A bag of apples plus 2 more apples. 3 garlics. 2 big russets. 2 big yellow onions. 1 bunch of celery. 2 avocados. Did I say 4 lemons? There's 4 lemons. Pears. These look really good.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
They're not ripe. So somebody can share this. You can throw those back in here. Okay, take this up front. You guys can share the orange. Cut off the bad part. Nay, leave it.
Right now.
Nay, put it back in there. She's gonna take it up front. Okay. A large box of limes. What is this? 40 pounds. It can stay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna move on down. We got 3 bags of cilantro. We're gonna have chicken tacos tomorrow, I think. 3 1-pound bags of ginger. The ginger, you could, like, it jumps really high into the next size up.
25 pounds or something? It
Yeah.
was like crazy.
There's like no 5 or 10 pound. You can get this or go high.
Yeah, 1 pound or 3 1-pounds.
Yeah. These look amazing. Mandarin oranges, 40-pound box. We've already pretty much all had one of those today. Now, seasonings. We have a lot. So I got 2 of the 3 packs of the mild chili powder, actual chili seasoning chili powder. A pound of paprika, because Joelle says we use it. Vegetable soup blend, because I'm doing a lot of soups and that'll add flavor quick. 2 pounds of hibiscus, because we drink a lot of hibiscus tea. Fine cut thyme. This is a 1 pound. 3 1-pound bags of their mushroom soup blend. 3 1-pound bags of their taco seasoning. That's pretty much every time we order, I'd say.
Yeah.
Not sure why we got 2 different kinds of thyme, but we did.
That was me because I'm sick of not having time when I cook, and so I added
me
both of
too.
them.
Joelle likes thyme. So 3 1-pound
It's so
bags
good for you.
of thyme. Are these 1 pound? Yeah. Why are they? I guess the fine cut's just fluffier. Also, 3 1-pound bags of parsley. I'm not sure how that one happened. Did you
I
do that
don't
too?
know either.
I didn't, probably not.
There's a lot.
I didn't
It's
even
a
know you
lot.
were ordering.
And then this is also one that we do pretty much every time. 3 1-pound bags of the garlic granules. Then here we have, I'll do this first. A large jar of sushi ginger. I have never seen one this big, so I was pretty excited about that.
It's a nice jar too.
Yes, reuse
It would
it.
be really nice to put like quick pickled carrots or peppers or anything else in
Yes.
the fridge.
Here.
Also
Okay,
nice.
so we'll just go along with, okay, that's fine. This is probably another 40-pound box. Yes, 40-pound box of yellow onions. They look really good.
This is cut to the roll.
Yeah. I think these are roughly 10-pound blocks of cheese. Colby. So we haven't been buying bulk cheese in a while, so I wanted to do that because you save a lot of money. A case of sour cream. We like Nancy's and our cow doesn't give us enough cream to make that. 3 50-pound bags of what potatoes? Russet potatoes. A 5-pound bag of whole sesame seeds, white. 3 25-pound bags of Thai jasmine rice. This was on their discount shelf because it ripped, but it is, how many pounds? Probably 20?
Yeah, I was thinking 20, 25.
22.
Me too.
22 pounds of fine Celtic sea salt. This, what is this?
It says on the end, I
Oh,
think.
this is tapioca. It doesn't go bad. It's just tapioca starch. This is tapioca pearls. And we like pudding for breakfast a lot, especially in the winter. We'll eat it hot.
Yeah, cinnamon or vanilla or chocolate.
Mostly vanilla is liked though. I like cinnamon. Coconut milk. That's mostly for curry. A big tub of, once again, creamy peanut butter. 2 jugs of molasses. Winter baking. I like Sue Becker's,
Molasses oatmeal bread.
yes. Avocado oil. This is 3 50-pound bags of sugar. The local sugar that we can get in bulk is really coarse and the children don't like it. It doesn't dissolve in everything. It's just not very nice.
Even in baked goods, that you'll bake stuff and sometimes there's still
There'll
chunks
still be
of it.
crystals in there. So this is finer and we prefer it. All right, you want to come over here? Their soft white wheat was cheaper than the hard white, which is not very normal, but we were excited and got 3 50-pound bags of that for breads or pastries, quick breads, that sort of thing. Because of soups, we got 6 cases of quart jars, and we're going to use those to can up a lot of the mostly probably like chicken noodle soup type ideas, and then you just have to make some noodles and throw it in when you're done or when you're ready to serve. So that is our large order, and I do not plan to make another one for the rest of the winter. It's too cold. So that is it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.